Today we'll talk about how can you select each on your SweetMeet app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, click on it. When you just click on it here, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on settings, so you just click on it. When you just click here on settings, it's going to take you to next here. So it's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on search settings, you just click on it. You come here to edge, and here can you here select edge here. So when you're down, just click on save, then it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.